How are you all? Fine? Okay. So children, today we are going to study subject grammar of class 3. Okay. So we have started chapter number 12 in the previous lecture and we have completed up till simple past tense. Okay. So today our topic is past continuous tense. Okay. So today we will learn that what is the past continuous tense, right? Now see here, the past continuous tense tell us about an action that was going on at some known or unknown time in the past. Okay, see, past continuous tense क्या होता है? जो actions past में हुई है in the previous past. Okay, मतलब बहुत दूर का past नहीं, it is past. मतलब for example, before 10 minutes you were eating. You were taking your breakfast, okay, that is known as past continuous tense. Understood? For example, 1 month before you went to the Mumbai, so that is known as the past continuous tense. Okay, clear up till here? Now see, we, was, were to verb ending with ing to form past continuous tense. Okay, for example you have given verb here, run, so what you will use? Was. Why was? When it is singular, for example, he, she, it is given. When we talk about one person, one place or one thing or one animal or anyone, so at that time what we will use? Was. Right? But when we are talking about the plural, we talk about two persons or more than two persons, at that time we will use verb. Understood? Okay, so he run fast. So he was running very fast. Understood why we use was? Because we are talking about only one boy. And run का past क्या होता है? We will in the past continuous tense we will use ing. So here it will be verb plus here was plus verb plus ing. Understood? And in the plural it will be were plus verb plus ing. And what is verb? The verb which is given to you in your bracket. Okay, clear? Now see, we will move further with exercise. See, circle the correct words and read the sentences aloud. Okay, now see what is first number. Birds blank overhead. Bracket में क्या दिया हुआ है? See, was flying and were flying. Right? Now come on, tell me, it is bird or birds? Birds, it means singular or plural? Birds means it is plural. Okay, so plural hai, so what we will do? What we will do with the plural? Come on, tell me. We will use like this. Plural hai, okay, so birds, what we will be there? Were. So were plus क्या दिया हुआ है? Flying it is given, right? So were plus verb plus ing. So what our answer will be? Were flying. Understood how you can know? Okay, very good. Now see what is the second number. The boy blank bracket में है was writing and were writing. Okay, as the teacher dictated the words, right? Here we are talking about only one boy, right? So what we will write? Was or were? Was. So was plus verb plus ing. Okay, so what is our verb? Was. Write. Write हमारा verb है. So what we will do? Writing. Okay, write plus ing. Clear? Okay, now we will move number third. What is the third number? I in the bracket was living and were living in a villa by the sea for a year. So I means only one person. You are talking about only yourself. There is one person is there. So what we will use again? Was plus verb plus ing. Okay. So was living. Understood? Very good. Now fourth number is girls blank for flower petals in their baskets. So were gathering and was gathering is your options. So what you will write? Were gathering or was? It is written like this, girls. Okay, girls are there. So more than one girl is there. Okay, so what we will use here? were. Understood? We will use were plus were. What is given were here? Verb is given gather. So what it will come? Gathering. Understood? Clear up till this? Now see fifth number. The doorbell blank but no one answered. Was ringing and were ringing. So what it will come? Was or were? It will come was. Why? Because only one doorbell is there. Okay? So you will circle on was ringing. Understood? Now sixth number. We blank when they arrived. Was sleeping and were sleeping. Now tell me, here it is again we. We means so many people, more than two peoples we are talking. Okay? So it will come where, and what is the verb? Come on, tell me. Where sleeping. Understood? Okay. Now see seventh number. The child was swimming in the big pool. Child. Child means it is only one child. Okay. If it would be children, so it would be plural. तो हम क्या करते हैं यहाँ पे where लिखते हैं, बराबर है? But it is given only child. So this is we are talking about only one child. So what we will use? Was swimming. Okay. So you will circle was swimming in the seventh number. Okay. Now see eighth number. Father in the bracket was working and were working till late at night. Now father. It is written father. अगर fathers होता तो what we will use? We will use were. But it is only father. So what we will write? Was working. Understood? Good. Now see ninth number. Volunteers were reading and was reading aloud to the blind. Volunteers. There are so many volunteers. Okay. So more than one volunteer is there. So what we will write? Were. Clear? Now and the last number, what is it? The owl blank all night yesterday. It is written like this. Owl. Not owls are there. So owl was hooting. Clear? You are understanding what I am saying to you? Owl was hooting. Why was? Because we are talking about only one owl. Okay, clear up till here? Did you understand this much? Okay, now turn the page on the page number 62. Here you have given these boxes. You have given here pictures also. Okay, and these are the things you will use was and were. For example, like I have explained you. To where to use were and where to use was. Like this exercise you will feel, but this you will feel by yourself. Okay, so we will meet in the next lecture. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.